So guys, this video is part of our Love Island project. It's the front, it's the resin driveway, and it is massive. Beautiful day of weather. We've got all our kits stacked out here. We've got extra stacked out the front so that when these inside the area that we've used up, we can pull our mixer across here, planning the procedure, planning the job, and obviously we're going to start over around here. Now if you come through and watch, obviously all our edges are in. We're just final little bits of preparation. The first gauge of stone is coming out, which is being mixed. And what I've done is I've run a little bit of mesh just across the driveway, just to add a bit of strength to it. Well, we had it lying around, to be honest. I thought, why not? I'm just going to use it underneath the driveway. And as you can see, this red stone here is under base, where there was some undulations in the permeable concrete. Once we'd run string lines over it, we'd realised that some of it in the middle was slightly sagging, so we built it up to make a really nice flat surface, obviously to give our top layer, make it really nice and flat. So we're going to start over here. We're just drying the area out. We're going to start over here and we're going to start working our way up this driveway, and then we're going to start working across here, and then we're going to start working over this side and pulling this across, and then we're going to work into the middle, and we're going to go out the front. Obviously it's a big job. It's about 8-9 degrees. And it's going to stay like that till this evening, so you've got to keep an eye on the temperature, obviously whether it's going to rain. And as it looks at the moment, you never know, because we are in England and it could cloud over and start raining, but it's not forecast across 4 weather apps, so I'd like to think that I might be correct today. The resin's coming out, we're going to start laying, and we're going to start showing you how this project going down. So guys, as you can see, the lawn area, which is just there, is ready for turfing, and that's going to get cleared. The turf's going to get delivered, and we are going to turn that into a fantastic, nice new lawn area. And we're just giving the edges a check over. They need to be pointed. We're going to bird beak point those, and there's a couple of edges that need cutting. There's some pipe work here that needs sorting out. So we're going to cut some of the edges in and point them and make sure they're all installed firmly as to having a nice edge restraint to work to. And as you can see there in the middle of the driveway, we need to apply some resin. There's some undulation in the base coat, so we're going to bring it up and make sure that the sub base is all nice and flat. So we've also got this corner to clear out all of the waste over there, move everything off the site so that we can get the turf down there, all that hardcore, the bricks, they'll be gone. That's going to be a nice new lawn area, and those granite sets are going to get pointed as well. Some loose tools need to be moved, and a good general tidy up so that we are prepared and ready for the resin. So as you can see here, we've got recessed manhole cover there, which has been installed, and our edges have all been pointed. That's the resin stuff there, ready to get ready. So we marked out the areas there with the spray that we needed to bring up, and it was quite a sizable area in the middle. And as you can see, the red area is resin bound, used to build up some sort of 30 mil where the permeable concrete had needed some slight alteration, so giving us a really nice flat sub base. And as you can see, everything's been cleared off of this planter bed. These granite sets out the front have been installed, and everything's been pointed. And the area on the left hand side of lawn, that too is being the lawn is being installed there. And that is where we're going to stack out all of our resin across the front there, ready to go. And we will work across, back out towards the front. So we just go into, we've taped up those little boxes for the electric gates. And as you can see there, we're going to clean off all those edges where we have been installing the turf. And there's dirt. We're going to clean up all of that driveway there, make sure it's all nice and clean, ready to go.
and cutting the last bit of lawn there. As you can see, that has just flattened everything up. So the driveway is ready for the resin bound. As you can see, some Christmas decorations. This project was done last, well, sort of near October actually. And that was the last resin project that we installed of that year. And that's the way we're going to be working across with the resin, as you'll see in the next part of the video. The way we work two parts of the driveway due to the shape of it, and work out to the front of the job. So once all the lawn's in and finished, we will clean the driveway, then we'll dry it out ready for our resin bound. So guys, thanks for watching the video, and if you like what you see, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Really helps us to grow the content. Another video, another job done. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Glad you enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next video.